another video. So my name is Vicky, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be showing you how to do some origami. So yes, we have done some origami on some other videos before. If you want to check those out, what I'll do is I will put them into a little playlist for you so that you've got all the different origami ones there all grouped together for you. But today's origami is going to be how to make a hummingbird. So I've made one already just to show you. Let's show you a little bit closer. So he's got his wings, he's got his beak, and if I turn him that way you can see his eyes as well. So we're going to be making the hummingbird today. So it's really easy, and all you need to have is a square of paper, which I've already got here ready, and then I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to make this little fella. So if you like the video, of course, give it a nice big thumbs up and subscribe just below, and you'll be able to see all the videos as soon as they come up, which is great. And with the lockdown easing a little bit here in Wales, we will be getting out and about a little bit more. So look forward to some more beach visits, some more walks, and fingers crossed, some fun activities as well. So we'll look forward to those, and maybe we'll go out geocaching as well. So if you haven't seen the geocaching video, I'll put it just up here for you, and you can see that then. But let's get started, because I know you are itching to make this hummingbird. So let's get started. So I've got my square piece of paper. So what I did was I used a A4 piece, and then I've just taken the edge off there to make it into a square piece. So what we're going to start off doing is going edge to edge. So we're going to fold this edge over to that edge. Open it back up, and then we're going to do exactly the same with this edge to this edge. Okay. So now we've done that, we've got our two folds. We're going to turn the piece of paper over, and then we're going to go diagonal to diagonal. Open that up and do the other diagonal. Open it back up. So now we've got a piece of paper. We're going to just flip that round and bring it all together, just like that. So if you're not sure on that bit, what I'll do is I'll show you again. So you'd flip that round and bring that together. So what we're going to do now, and then we've got this section, all the loose bits are at the bottom and the folds are at the top. We'll just double check those folds definitely down, and then we're going to bring these edges up to the middle line. And the other side as well. Okay, so when we've done that side, we're just going to flip it over and do exactly the same on the other side. So I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up, and with these edges we're just going to open it up and we're going to push these in. It's a little bit tricky, this one. the same on the other side. Open it up, push that in. Okay, so we've done both sides on one side. What we're going to do is going to turn it over and do exactly the same on this side. So we need to open these up again. Push that in. There we are, nice clean finish. The same this side. And there we are, so we've got exactly the same on both sides now. So now we've got this section, we've done the same on both sides, folding the edges in. We're going to lift up the top flap, we're going to turn it over, and then we're going to fold it along this line here, just like that. Okay. So now's the time we're going to start making the beak of the hummingbird. So we're going to open it up slightly. We're going to bring this bit down. Fold it over just like that. So all that is, I'll show you again. So you've got the piece like this, you're just going to bring it down and then fold it shut. And that will then give you the beak. So now we've got this section, what we're going to do is we're going to bring that top bit down. Just like that, and then we're going to make a small fold in this section just along here to bring this bit up to the middle point, and exactly the same on the other side, top bit to middle point. So it's quite technical. Okay, so we just folded that down together. So what we're going to do next is we're going to take a pencil. So I've got a pencil just here, and in these areas here we're just going to open up the flaps a little bit, just like that. Can you see? Same on this side, and then we're going to fold this in half to bring them up to each other again. So what we've got is we've got the two eyes there and the beak. And the final bit we need to do is we need to do the wings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just bring up this section here. Just fold it where the line is, and exactly the same on the other side. Bring that and fold it over. So both the wings are the same there, and that gives you a hummingbird. So how did you get on? Awesome! Oh, you've made one too? So here's the one we just made, and here's the one I made before. So well done, guys. If you haven't got it on the first go, what you can always do is you can keep stopping the video. So you can play the video, get to a certain step, pause the video and then carry on to the next section and do it like that till you get a little bit of the hang of it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. I've really enjoyed showing you guys how to make this hummingbird. So I hope you enjoy. And I will see you guys next week for another video. And that will be live at 6 o'clock. And remember, I will be online for half an hour replying back to all your comments. So make sure you put something there and you'll get a response from me within the first half hour, which is amazing. If you like the video, give it a nice big thumbs up and subscribe just below. And I will see you guys next week for another video. See you soon. Bye.